So I think one of the things that we touched on earlier was a lot of these sensors in transportation live in the real world, right? So we've had roadway weather sensors that live next to the roadway, and they've got a rainwater collector, and a bird builds a nest on it. Okay. Right? And then it doesn't capture the rainwater level the right way. And so, like, these are real things that happen to our sensors. So just because it's, there's a little bit of like, the grass is always greener when we put another sensor on it. And it's not, because there's a real world physical thing that we're trying to measure. So I think making sure that we don't get overconfident in what these sensors are going to tell us, and sort of just believe that more sensors are going to make everything great, I think is a big deal. I think looking at the deployments as well, as flexible as you can be with Internet of Things deployments, you have to be smart about what you're trying to do. Like, we're not going to get agile on our street, right? Like, we want to have a safety plan prior to that, and we want to make sure that we're doing some things smartly. So it is important to be sensitive to those user requirements and what you're trying to do. You can work in agile architectures. You can try different experiments, and you can actuate those things on your street. Once you get them out there, right, you can change your signal timing and do some other great things, but you're not going to send a crew out there every day to move some stuff around, right? So there's a balancing act. This is that thing I was talking about earlier with that culture between operational technology and information technology. Things move at different speeds, and matching those gears can be challenging, and we all have to respect what the engineers want to do as well as what the IT can do, and finding how to build a policy framework to make that happen, I think, is the biggest lesson.
So you have